In this video, I will show you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open any of your projects, go to the top right corner and click Automate. Select Create Automation. You will see when this happens, select that and scroll down to every time period. Then create an item, create a group, duplicate a group. So we will select create a group. The name can be video projects. You then can add an action by clicking the plus sign. So every time period, we will create a group and then duplicate a group. You can also decide when you want this to happen. Is it daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly? So my automation will take place every day. It will create a group and then duplicate that group. Once you have completed it, select Create Automation. And now you have created recurring tasks in Monday.com. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.